Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create password protected PDF file using MS Word. Friends, if you want to make PDF file which is protected by password, then you simply need to open MS Word software in your computer. Now in your Word software, create a document. Now I will paste some random text. Now suppose I want to make password protected PDF file of this document. Then I simply need to click on files and here click on save as. Now here select the destination where you want to save your PDF file. I want to save my PDF file on desktop. Now give a name to your PDF file. Now here in save as type, click on this small arrow and here select PDF. Now after selecting PDF, you need to click on options. Here you need to select encrypt the document with a password and click on OK. Now enter the password you want to make for your PDF file 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now here re-enter your password. Now click on OK. Now click on save. Now friends, our PDF document is created and it is asking us to enter the password to open. Now I will enter the password and click on OK. Now friends, as you can see, our Word document is converted to PDF file with password protection. So friends, like this you can very easily create password protected PDF file using MS Word. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.